Let's talk about another crop used in producing everything from food items to cosmetics and chemicals. And what would a ball game be without them? I'm talking about peanuts. Georgia is well known as the peach state, but Georgia also leads the nation in the production of peanuts. And Jason Schultz says that means critical decisions on when to plant and when to harvest.
When it's slathered between bread slices, it's instant smiles all around. I'm talking about peanut butter. It continues to be a kid favorite. Americans will consume more than 700 million pounds of peanut butter each year.
So these nuts are just about ready to harvest?
Yes.
Almost half of the peanuts grown in the U.S. come from Georgia, and farmers like Armand Morris are, well, nuts about their industry.
I'm about a 6th or 7th generation farmer, I reckon you'd say. So you know, my parents grew peanuts, my dad grew peanuts.
Spending a few hours touring peanut country with Armand, I quickly discover that growers here are part farmer, part peanut promoter.
We eat peanut butter on dry wheat toast every morning with our breakfast.
I bet.
And peanut butter makes oatmeal better too. It gives it some flavor, and not only that, you get your protein too out of your peanut butter.
I bet if since you're a peanut farmer, I bet most everybody in Georgia, you're trying to put peanut butter on everything, aren't you?
You bet. You bet.
Hamburgers and
peanut butter make a hamburger better. You bet.
Peanuts are legumes that grow just under the soil. You wouldn't know it looking at this green carpet that covers the state, but there are millions of peanuts hidden underneath.
This one is ready to go.
Yes, it's ready to harvest.
Farmers in Georgia will grow more than 1 billion pounds of peanuts a year, most of which will find their way into peanut butter production. The bigger roasted peanuts that you find at the ballpark are a different variety grown elsewhere in the South.
These are peanuts that are going to end up as peanut butter.
They'll wind up as peanut butter ultimately. That's correct.
Fall in Georgia is peanut harvest time, and timing is critical. Farmers must know exactly when their crop is ready. So Armand and other farmers get help from the University of Georgia Extension Service. Using the whole scrape method, researchers test a small sample of nuts to see if they're ready. Once they get the green light, it's digging time. Armand uses a digger to pull the plants and flip them over sunny side up to heat them up and dry them out. Then it's time to harvest and dry them even more. But before these nuts ever become an essential ingredient in ants on a log, they'll have to be dry roasted and ground. While peanut allergies have impacted sales, peanut butter popularity remains high.
In an economy that we're in, folks are looking for something that's good and good for you and doesn't cost a lot. Our peanut butter consumption is at record levels right now.
That's good news to the 5,000 farmers growing peanuts here in Georgia. The state's most famous peanut farmer was our 39th president, Jimmy Carter.
If you look at Georgia, and look at our processing, look at the peanut shelling, the peanut buying points, farm supplies and things like that, we're about $2.5 billion just to the Georgia economy.
They're proud of their peanuts in these parts. Farmers like Armand have found success carrying on a tradition and building on a legacy. And that includes a southern snack you'll find at roadside restaurants.
These are fresh peanuts right
These
out of
are
the ground.
fresh peanuts. There's some that we dug yesterday, picked them off, and boiled them early this morning for y'all to have some of the most famous and the freshest peanuts that there is available.
Look at that.
For
so these are
consumption.
Boiled. How long do you boil them?
Oh, you boil them about an hour, hour and a half, kind of like you want, just so far as your taste is. And we like for them to be tender.
It's kind of like a pea. It doesn't taste like it's not crunchy like a nut.
That's right. It does. It tastes kind of like a pea. Is exactly right.
Yeah.
And if you eat peas, you're gonna like boiled peanuts even better.
Boiled or whipped into peanut butter, peanuts are one of Georgia's most famous claims to fame.
That's exactly right.
Americans spend more than $500 million each year on peanut butter. Creamy or crunchy? 60% of Americans like creamy best. And get this, folks at a peanut butter promotion in Oklahoma City created a peanut butter and jelly sandwich that weighed 900 pounds.